guys, this is Chanell and I'm back with another video. In today's video, it's going to be a day in my life and probably make some shirts with me or make some pants with me. I'm sorry, I reached for my phone. But I recently told y'all, we recently just started opening our business and it's not going too well. But I'm not complaining, I'm not giving up. I'm just figuring out things to do and to get sales in or get customers in. Jobs ain't going good with me either. Y'all, I am in a funk funds. Like, my funds that I can't produce for my business is really putting me in a funk. I'm trying to take it day by day. Try to just cut short hours on my business to see what could I do behind the scenes and what works. So, I have people telling people to check my website out, and I'm going to show y'all. We have 10, hold on, can y'all see that? So this says viewers. We have 10, not viewers, visitors. We have 10 visitors. And look at how we did past this week. See how bad that was? It said we had 9 in June. July was successful because we had 22, but we had a missed construction order, which means that order wasn't made. June 8th, we had 22 orders. 22 people. Ever since opening. So I'm going to go back to now. June through July 5th. So, yeah. So I just want to show y'all how you can check your progress going once you open up your business. Now, I have to wait to get paid to pay for my website because they're saying it's time to pay for my website when it's a year thing. So I don't know. Then, yeah, it's a lot I got going on. And I don't know, y'all. I thank y'all for shooting up the views for my first YouTube video. Thank you so much. Let that video go up. Now, y'all, I'm trying to do 2 days of filming. So we upload every Friday. Now we're gonna upload every Wednesday. So Friday and Wednesday is our YouTube upload days. I'm gonna see how that goes. I might be on to something. I might just be really pushing myself through the door to become viral. I feel it. I don't know yet when it's coming, but I feel it. I feel like we're about to go viral. With or without subscribers, I feel it because I do. I really feel it. So, we're gonna be cleaning. Cleaning my hair. We're gonna be cleaning today. Today is deep cleaning day. Today's cleaning day. This guy get thrown away. I did my clothes. I want to take y'all to do my clothes right here. But y'all on the charger. What I'm saying, y'all connected to a charger. So, I'm sorry, y'all. This scissor was so good. Give me a second. We'll be right back.
Alright, we back, y'all. So, it's gonna be cleaning out each drawer. Cause I know I done.
Okay, y'all, we back. Cookies and what I gotta take back in the bathroom. Trash. This thing's so dirty. This is like my mini trash can. So everything's gonna go in here, you know, everything's about to fall on the floor. Okay. We'll clean it out for our clothes. Got this thing out like so. Now we're gonna start folding. I like to roll my clothes because it saves more space when it's rolled. And I do the pants like that too. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back down. Sorry, I had to tell my son to leave the stuff alone. He was messing with my camera. These iPhones ain't cheap. But yes, I like to fold my clothes into just basically like to fold them because they save a lot of room when they're folded and rolled up, and when they're like just folded and just pop. Now, fold and roll, fold and roll. That's what all I do. My stuff ain't fold and roll. And sooner or later, y'all, my underwear drawer is really about to not expand because I'm having issues wearing them. I'm having issues wearing them. Okay, I know y'all don't want to sit here and see me fold and roll, so I'll be back when I get done with this one. Bye. And we're back. Okay, so here's how the bottom looks. They look nice and rolled, and they can go tucked back in. So now we're gonna do the top. Now the top was rolled, but then again my son comes in here and play and all that stuff. And I just don't understand why. We're going to, oh, this was inside out. We're going to do like the first, like what I did in the last video, was fold and roll. That's what we're going to do here. We're going to fold and roll. So what I do is I keep all my clothes separated. I keep the long ones from the short, from like the short sleeve. So like when it comes back to being in the cold and all that, I know where to go for my long sleeves. And I'll be nice and toasty. So I say I can't wait to start my new job. I am going to be saving a lot of money up for some new wardrobe and new chores. Yeah, I might do the make clothes for me to DIY a lot of stuff. I might do a separate video, and that might get posted on Friday. I made a lot of shirts. I'm gonna put it on here. I've been testing out a lot of shirts. I'm gonna get into the hoodie now. Alright, and that's right about it. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new here, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're old here, sis, did I just do the intro and outro? Lord. But anyway, if you like this video, just please like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll be back with another video every Wednesday, every Friday. Bye.